7 Shocking benefits of fasting in Ramadan. Fasting has been a religious practice for Muslims for centuries. But did you know that it also has several amazing health benefits? In addition to spiritual benefits, here are 7 shocking potential benefits of fasting during Ramadan. 1. Improved insulin sensitivity. Fasting can help to improve insulin sensitivity, which is important for regulating blood sugar levels. This can be particularly beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes. 2. Weight loss. Fasting can also help to promote weight loss, as it can lead to a reduction in calorie intake. However, it is important to ensure that you are still consuming a healthy, balanced diet during the non-fasting hours. 3. Renewed body. Fasting gives our digestive system a break and helps our body absorb nutrients better. It also detoxifies our system by eliminating harmful toxins. 4. Reduced inflammation. Fasting has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects, which can help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. 5. Improved brain function. Some studies have suggested that fasting can help to improve cognitive function and protect against neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. 6. Supercharged brain. Fasting leads to the formation of new brain cells, resulting in improved mental clarity, focus, and concentration. 7. Reduced stress. Fasting reduces stress levels and improves hormonal imbalances, which can even heal the reproductive system. Ramadan has become popular worldwide trend, intermittent fasting, which is becoming popular worldwide for its health benefits and in maintaining a healthy weight and mind, has actually been a part of the prophetic lifestyle followed by Muslims for ages. Truly, Islam is a way of life. Remember to consult with your doctor before fasting, and approach fasting in a safe and healthy manner. We hope this information has been helpful to you.